What's going on, guys? Dustin here with Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube. Today I'm here with Gels from Fitment Industries.
Hello.
But we're not at Fitment Industries.
This is weird.
Today.
You threw a Custom Offsets hoodie on me and dragged me out here, and I don't know what I'm doing.
You wore that by your own choice. Don't put me on this, brother. We're back with another episode of This or That. Keaton's got a bunch of questions he's going to ask us, and we're going to tell you what we prefer. Before we get into that, we just dropped a brand new giveaway. CustomOffsets.com/giveaways, where you find that. There's 3 pieces of apparel this time: a t-shirt, a hoodie, and a windbreaker.
That sounds familiar. Sorry.
Don't do this to me right now. You can check out that giveaway there. We've partnered with Hostile, so any wheels up to 22 inches in diameter, including forged, which is pretty cool. Nitto's gonna hook it up with any tire up to 22 inches, and super lift on the suspension up to $2,500 in value, including Kings.
Dang,
Sounds pretty neat. So yeah, CustomOffsets.com/giveaway to check that out. Let's get into it.
All right.
Ford or Chevy?
Ooh.
Just in general?
In general.
Ford or Chevy? Oof.
Ooh. How do you pick on this? Because like, Ford's got a lot of really cool stuff going on, especially with the new Super Duties.
Sure.
You know, and then Ford has the Raptor.
Right.
And they have the King Ranch, but Chevy's got the High Country, right? So it gets the nice interior, and the new Chevys look really good. Ooh.
I'd probably have to go with Chevy, honestly.
Really?
Yeah, I think personally from like the trucks that I've been in and stuff like that, Chevys just tend to have like a little bit of nicer interior.
Okay.
So I like that. I mean, other than that, I think I've just had more time in Chevys. I've come to like them more than Fords.
Sure. I'm gonna go the other way. Boy, my heart is set on a Raptor.
Okay.
I want a Raptor so bad. And it's, as if I didn't want one bad enough, Ben from C-Boys just got one, and we just did a build with him.
Yeah.
And put a video out, and it was really cool. And I got to see him and Fuller bombing that thing through the snow in Minnesota, and I'm a little sad.
That's fair.
Because that's not me.
Yeah, that's
so,
fair.
I want a Raptor. I'm going for it.
Buy a brand new 2020 truck, keep it stock, or build an older truck with 45K.
Oh, that's a no-brainer, bud.
Yeah. Listen, life is too boring to stay stock.
Absolutely.
All
give
day
me that,
long,
give
old
me that
truck,
old truck and 45
massive
grand.
build.
I can do some crazy stuff with a truck and 45 grand.
I just picture like you could build a gnarly first gen like 3/4 ton Dodge with the 12 valve. You know, just like 6-speed single bed stack.
So here's the better question, right? Would you lift it or slam it?
Don't do me like this right now. I've always really wanted to take a first gen Cummins like that and reverse level it.
Okay.
So not really slam it, but and then put it on like 20 by 12, 22, 12. You know, something that's got some poke to it.
Yeah.
And then just roll around like hooked to a gooseneck trailer, looking like a badass, and also just blop blop.
Yeah. I'd have to put some on air. I'd have to do like some custom air build.
Yeah, I get to see
That'd
you
be-
in like
that'd
a
be wild.
like a C10.
Just something. Yeah, like a
Lay
C10 or maybe
frame.
even something like a bigger. You know, just like something huge.
Big old dually.
But like just but like just.
That's hot
nuts.
right now, by the way.
Yeah.
Like a lot of guys are taking brand new trucks and airing them out. Like Rainey was just down at
Brand new ones even
Throwdown.
too. See, that's interesting.
Yeah.
So I feel like the new ones are like a lot harder to do because you know like older trucks are more squared off. They're more they're boxy. You know, I'm thinking back to like a lot of like old school Euro stuff that's like on air, but then like you take that over the truck side of things. There's still like the similarities are there. They're boxy, they're square, and then you just like get them on the ground and they look really really good. So like the newer stuff, that's interesting. I don't know.
It's neat.
I'd have to see it.
It's neat.
Chopped exhaust or professionally cut exhaust?
All right.
Here,
Story time. Hold on.
I got a story too.
Hold on. 16 years old.
Yep.
I bought a 92 GMC half-ton extended cab short box, 5.0 and a 5-speed. And the very first day I brought it home, I drove it home, choked it out like 4 times because I didn't know how to drive stick.
Yep, got the Sawzall.
And then immediately grabbed the Sawzall and cut the muffler out. And it sounded like trash.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
It literally, you couldn't drive it down the highway because it would resonate because the exhaust was cut right behind the cab.
Oh,
so it's
God.
right under the passenger seat.
God. Oh no. I got like I've seen a lot, man. Like I've seen it from people just drilling holes in the muffler That was a thing. My buddy did that to his Avalanche. We ended up just cutting it off because the thing was just all rusted out. Because I'm like, he showed up and he's like, yeah, dude, I drilled holes in my muffler to make it sound louder. I'm like, you did what,
brother?
Like,
what are you doing?
Yeah, and then I've seen it from like some dude like took his mom's like clothesline pole and just welded that onto his truck. It was, just like
what?
It was the loudest, most ridiculous thing I've ever heard, but it sounded like absolute dog shit. I've seen it all, man. So yeah, professional.
Yeah.
If you're gonna do something, when it comes to exhaust, don't cut corners because, I'm telling you.
And the thing is, professional exhaust doesn't mean expensive.
No, not all the time.
You can go to your local muffler shop and for
get someone who knows what they're doing. Yeah.
They'll cut it and bend up pipes and put two tips
absolutely.
on it, Yeah, I'm with you. I'm definitely gonna have somebody install an actual exhaust. Those days are behind me.
Yeah.
Bonus question. Would you rather never have to eat or never have to sleep again? And just because you'd never have to doesn't mean you absolutely can't if you wanted to. You just wouldn't be damaged by not eating or sleeping.
I love food.
Same.
I would much rather not have to sleep and just be able to crush things out 24 hours a day. Imagine how productive we could be. We could film videos 18 hours a day and still get stuff done. Sounds like a great time. What could go wrong?
Think how much money you would save if you didn't have to eat, though.
Yeah, whatever. It's fine. Think about how much money you could make if you worked more that you didn't have to sleep.
I'm gonna go with eat. I'm gonna go with
Really?
not eating, yeah. Because, like, I don't know.
I like food.
I like food too, but
like you said, it's
you would
just
save
'cause
so much money. You know how many parts you could buy?
That's true. You can buy a lot of
You can buy a lot of car, truck thing parts.
Jeep parts.
Jeep thing. Do
Aftermarket
you guys like
accessories.
Jeeps?
No, not
No,
really.
no, Jeeps. Okay. No, I would have to go with if I didn't have to eat food, that would be fantastic because I would save a shitload of money.
It's true. Would I lose some weight if I didn't have to eat food? Is that a thing? Because that might be a game changer.
Oh, now you're changing your answer. That's whatever.
I don't know, it's a good question.
No, either way, I'm gonna stick with not
No
having
sleep?
to sleep. No sleep.
We'll
No
never
sleep
sleep.
till Brooklyn. Till Brooklyn.
Because sleep is for the weak.
Yes. All right, there's another episode of This or That. Thanks, Gels, for
Yeah, no
joining
problem,
us today. It was
Absolutely.
it was a lot of fun. So hopefully let's do this again.
Yeah, for sure.
Remember, wheels, tire, suspension, customoffsets.com. In with that.
You guys do that? I don't know.
Now we'll do it.
Okay.
The videographers hate that. In with that, we're out.